Hello, everybody, and welcome to the CCCU Assembly. It's a week of the 18th of January 2021, and you know what we want in the Grange CCU. We want a caring attitude from everybody, trying our best, learning from our mistakes, using our education to help us to make great choices, going for improvement and progress, and never giving up. And that's the Grange CC way. Confidence and consideration is a philosophy for life. Stars of the week go to, let's have the bouncing in gold. It's Divian, it's Dikshan, it's Bavita, it's Jewel, it's Evelina, it is Madi, it is Rochelle, it is Patrick, it is Diana, and it is Ilya. Well done. These are all gold people. Now, in the Grange House of Water, 3,224 points. Piratus, Maruna, Amira, Suber, Abdullah A, Safana, Sakina, Agash, Aliyah, Ayat. Well done. Nora, Martina, Diana, Grace, Kavish, Madi, Wissam, Zara. Excellent work. And flying in is Aryan with 68, Ayana with 81, Ilya with 95, Bavita with 125. But the swivel this week goes to Cosmina. Brilliant work, 165. 3,222 points in fire. Simon, Cole, Fad, Vinaya, Eric, Vishwesh, Isaac, Harun, Princess, Shana, Murtiga, Fatima, Yamindi, Hader, Patrick, Elfie. And flying in is Rashil, Ansar, Medina. And the swivel goes to Amos with 89 points. In the Grange House of Air, 3,214 points. Dara, Ibra, Jackie, Shravan, Kiana, Dana, Nicoletta, Sana, S, Diraj, Faris, Razor, Krasian, Andrada, Mora, Mario, and Dua, Ajay, Masood, Imran, Bianca, Jaden. Flying in are Amrit with 62, Mustafa O with 62, Mohammed S, Abdullah D, and the swivel goes to Adi with 126 points. And in the Grange House of Earth, 3,720 points, highest house total. Anushant, Jabril, Shaista, Jewel, Aisha, Hedron, Danusha, Zohaib, Lion, Stefania, Aitan, Ali R, Lena, Adam, Sarwa, Alex, Alicia, Lala, Jody, Max, Habiz, Race, Sana H, Dikshan, and flying in is Wasim, Divyan, Michelle, and the swivel goes to Evelina with 154 points, which is brilliant. So the whole Grange community, 13,380 points. Unbelievable this week. Is absolutely brilliant. And who are my classy classes? Well, Mandela class, brilliant, 578 remote learning points. Proud of you. Churchill class, 663. Gandhi class, 781. But I've got to say, the classy class this week, they were the first to break the 1,000-point barrier in 2020, and they're the first to do it. In 2021, well done, Tubman class. Proud of you. Look at that, an incredible 1,767 points. Our autumn total, we got 120,000 points. We said the half-term target, 50,000. I think we're going to smash it because our running total with 2 weeks is already 17,697 points. We're going to make it. Remember, Freddie and the reindeers came in autumn, and I said what we're going to do for classy classes this term will be wonderful, whopping big pot plants to help you to keep, grow, and watch and observe in your classroom. So fantastic work, year 5 and 6. Be great, be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Everybody who featured in this video, proud of you. Keep going, everybody. Draw inspiration from this. Let's be CC champions. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.